Hello children, today we are going to take the same topic, that is microorganisms. In the previous lectures we have described about algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoans, etc. Let us discuss something about the friendly microorganisms. They are microorganisms which are very useful for us. So they can be called as friendly microbes. Let us take bacteria first. Importance of bacteria. Bacteria play a very important role in medicine, agriculture and several industries. Suppose I talk about the medicine field. In medicine, there are two roles of bacteria. First, in antibiotics and another in vaccines. Many well-known antibiotics such as streptomycin, aureomycin, chloromycin are obtained from bacteria. Bacteria are also used in the preparation of serum and vaccines. Bacteria is also useful in the field of agriculture. In agriculture, bacteria plays many roles, which are as follows. First important role, it cleans the environment. Bacteria act on dead bodies of animals and plants and convert various complex organic compounds into simple inorganic substances. These simple substances can easily mix with soil and increase the soil fertility. Thus, bacteria helps in recycling of matter and cleaning the environment. Second important role it plays in the nitrogen cycle. Although nitrogen occurs to the extent of about 78% of air by volume, it is not at all utilized by plants in its free state. So, it is indispensable to the life of plants. So, it is essential constituent of proteins, chlorophyll, protoplasm, etc. So, one of the fundamental biological requirement for life to persist is that the nitrogen cycle should continue to function. During this process, the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed. The atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into organic combinations such as amino acid, proteins, nucleic acid, etc. Now let me draw this nitrogen cycle. I am going to draw this cycle. Here I am showing nitrates, then amino acids, then this will give rise to nitrites. Nitrites will again get converted into nitrates. This is ammonia here. Now here again denitrifying bacteria. This will become nitrogen in atmosphere. Again this will get converted into nitrites. This is nitrogen fixing bacteria. So children, the soil makes the main source of nitrogen for the plant. In the plant, the nitrogen exists as inorganic and organic compounds. The chief forms of inorganic compounds are the nitrates and nitrites of potassium and calcium, and also ammonia and its compounds. While the organic compounds are chiefly the proteins, normally the ammonium compounds found in the cell are made available for the use of green plants after conversion into nitrate by the action of certain nitrifying bacteria living in the soil. This process is known as nitrification. The nitrite thus produced is readily absorbed by green plants. Now let us come to biological nitrogen fixation, which can be explained as follows. Biological nitrogen fixation. It is carried out by both free living and symbiotic bacteria. The free living nitrogen fixing bacteria are Azotobacter and Clostridium. Let us come to this symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Sometimes the ammonium compounds are made available to the plants by the nitrogen fixers. The best known nitrogen fixing symbiotic bacterium is Rhizobium. This bacteria lives in the soil to form root nodules in the plants of the family Leguminaceae such as gram, pea, etc. Let us come to the next step, that is called as ammonification. The dead remains of animals and plants are decomposed. Dead remains, they are decomposing through microbial activities to produce ammonia, that is NH3. Next step is nitrification. During this process, the ammonium compounds are oxidized into nitrate in two stages. Firstly, ammonia is rapidly converted into nitrites. In the first step, ammonia is getting converted into nitrites, which can be represented by NO2, and then these nitrites are getting, in the second step, these nitrites are getting converted into nitrates, which can be symbolized as NO3 minus. The conversion of ammonia to nitrite is carried by bacteria that is called as nitrosomonas, and the conversion of nitrite to nitrate is done by a bacteria which is known as nitrobacter. Now nitrate is available to the plant. This equation can be very well represented in this manner. Two molecules of ammonia, they are combined with oxygen in the presence of nitrosomonas. The byproducts are nitrite, 2 hydrogen ions plus 2 molecules of water. Another conversion is nitrite, that is 2 molecules of nitrite. We combine with this, then in the presence of nitrobacter, they will give out nitrate. 2 molecules of nitrate can be represented like this. The last step in the nitrogen cycle is denitrification. Denitrification, where nitrate NO3 may convert into nitrogen gas by bacteria that is called as pseudomonas. The nitrogen gas may be again fixed in the form of ammonia through the process of biological nitrogen fixation. So this is the denitrification process, that is conversion of nitrate to atmospheric nitrogen. This completes your nitrogen cycle, children. In the next lecture, we are going to study, sorry children, let me finish up with this. In industry also, the bacteria is used. The use of bacteria in industry is as follows. In the field of industry, actually the main use of bacteria is lactobacillus. Lactobacillus bacteria helps in the formation of milk products such as curd and cheese. This is only responsible for conversion of milk to curd. Some other activities are also there for bacteria. One bacteria is there that is named as E. coli, which is found in the human intestine, and that is responsible for synthesis of vitamin B complex. Some of the bacteria also help in the sewage disposal by putrefaction, that is incomplete decomposition of dead organic matter. So this was all about the importance of bacteria, children. Thank you so much.